Guess what, guys? It is snowing tonight. Hello, everybody. So it is snowing tonight, the day before Martin Luther King Jr. Day. It is like 10 p.m. now on a Sunday, and it's a beautiful night. It's snowing, and I heard that it's gonna keep snowing till like the morning in the daytime. And I also heard that the snow is gonna turn into rain, and it kind of feels like wet snow too. Like it's like rainy and like. So as you can see, the bus station is all fogged up. There's a lot of snow. It's so beautiful. It's like a blizzard out here, man. You know, hopefully the snow will be so bad that on Tuesdays, school will be closed. So just walking. Snow looks kind of like it's icy too. And I felt the ground is like real slippery. And yes, you gotta be careful. Oh wow, this tree looks really beautiful. Very beautiful. It is really windy out here, and I just realized that this is rain. It's not even snow. It is kind of hard to vlog in the rain like this because the rain always presses buttons on my phone. So like sometimes it will mess up the video. But thank goodness that I could do a lot of editing though. So as you can see, like, this is a beautiful bridge over here, the Brooklyn Bridge. And I'm glad the rain kind of slowed down so that it won't like mess up my video. Oh, look at over here. A lot of snow. It's snowing outside. It is snowing, but now it's raining. It's not even snowing anymore. The snow actually turned into rain. But I'm just walking in this beautiful snow, as you can see. This is New York City in the snowy weather. I'm dressed very warm. Okay, so now I'm going to walk to the train station because it's becoming very rainy out here. My phone is getting wet. Yeah, and the kids pressing buttons on my. Guys, it is so rainy out here. So I'm about to go to the train station because it's so rainy that is messing up my video because it's pressing buttons on my phone and stuff, and I'm getting soaking wet. Like, there's not even snow anymore. It's like pouring raining now. It's very ice cold, but I love it. It's very awesome. This is the winter dream, man. Yeah, very awesome. So I see you I'm at the train station, okay? It's pouring out here, you can see. Pouring ice. Oh my goodness, look at all this ice pouring off the Brooklyn Bridge. That's a lot of ice. Now that I am under the bridge, now I'm gonna have to worry about my phone getting wet now because I'm under the bridge. But I still see you at the train station though. Okay guys, so as you can see, I am back home. And the reason why I am back home is because it is very dangerous outside. I almost slipped. I was in a very bad situation because I was slipping and sliding on ice. So I had to hold on to a pole, and I was stuck there like for like 10 or 20 minutes. But somehow I finally got out. Like, I walked onto the street, and then I just made it back home because it is way too dangerous because like it's like raining ice, so it's very icy outside, and pretty soon that snow like will turn into ice, or it's gonna be very dangerous. So that's why that I came back home. But trust me, I really I want to go out so bad today, but it's dangerous. Okay guys, so I am now undressed. I am at home comfortable now, and I am about to make myself some hot chocolate. Okay guys, so I just finished my hot chocolate, and I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I see you soon. Peace.